So you guys really like that wood horse that I made in the last video, and a lot of you asked me to make a little short video on actually how to use it. So I'm going to cut a quick load of wood, come back, give it a try for the first time. Excited? Oh yeah! Stay there, Willow. We just saw a blur going through the woods there, and it was a lynx. And a lynx is something you don't see very often, buddy. I've only seen probably a dozen in my entire life. And we just went into the woods there. Nice big mature lynx. For reference, that's how big a track would be on a mature one. Willow won't stop staring over there now. That's I guess there's a good fresh scent in the air there. We're gonna go cut a little bit of wood. Try out that Charlie horse. This is what I'm after today. Dried juniper. Tamarack or larch is really called, but I came in here a couple weeks ago and made a little path so it'd be nice and hard, and there's lots of green and juniper here too, but all sorts of dead ones, so they burn very good and they're very hot for those cold winter nights. Knock down a few now. Never believed it would stay up there, would you? One more for you, my dog. Just on the way back there, and I gotta stop by this little brook here. This little brook is amazing. No matter how cold it gets, and it's hardly moving, the water there, it's just like there's hardly any current to it at all. And it stems from up under that mountain there. I did a video on it one time. I called it Fountain of Youth. It must be a warm underground spring, like phenomena. And we've had a stretch now of minus 30, minus 40, minus 55 with the wind. And that place right there, a couple places up in that river, it just will not freeze up. And that's something you see very often. And I forgot my water bottle today, so that water looks really good right now. If I can get some of that water without falling in, that'd be a wonderful thing, wouldn't it? Oh, can't match it. Just goes to show there's always something to see on the trail. That water today and that lynx earlier on, never thought I'd see anything today. Now, there's a couple different ways you can line up the wood here. You can put all the ends exactly matching on one end and then cut away, and then whatever length they are on this side, whether that's the perfect length or whether they're only that long, you can just let them fall down and burn them in your stove like they are, or your campfire stove or whatever outside. Or you can put your logs in and kind of even them out on both sides and see if you kind of end up with maybe a little shorter, a little longer on that end, a little shorter, a little longer on that end. My stove got 20-inch bed onto it, so I can accommodate pretty good anyway. So I'll give it a try there now and see how I feel about it. I'm just going to half them off, I think, starting off. Well now, isn't that awesome? All are good lengths of wood. Of course, these are perfect lengths of wood. These are still good. I got a couple here a little short, but that's all right. And it's just the right height too. If you notice when I had the side view going there, I'm not bent over hardly at all. And you know, that's about what? That's about 10 logs there, all cut to one time. Effortless. And the saw is not touching the ground. And like, this is Charlie White's design, and he got those pieces of wood a bit higher, so that when the chainsaw goes down through it, if it touches this one here, it just barely touches it. So that's awesome. Man, that's a good design, Charlie, buddy. I thought the wood might fall down in between the rungs there, eh? But it's not. So it's just easy to pick out like this with your arm. I'm going to bend over hardly at all. Awesome. Thanks again to Charlie White, the guy who I named this wood horse after. He gave me the idea, sent me his plans. It works out perfect. It's only going to help me in my wood cutting efforts. So thanks again, Charlie. So until next video, guys, take care of each other. Get outside and enjoy everything outdoors. And we'll see you next time. Guaranteed. Get outside.